The DCP party has no candidate in Mbeere North, and it has not signed the code of conduct. So it's therefore not proper in law for any person purporting to be from the DCP party to show up in Mbeere North to campaign. It's actually illegal. So we are making it clear that any purported campaign by a party that has not sworn and signed by the code of conduct prescribed by IBC will be irregular, and we reserve the right to seek further action from IBC for disqualification of any candidate who is receiving support that is illegal from a party that has not complied with the electoral requirements and which now threatens the peace of the residents of the area.